Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O my Lord, your eternal self is never divided by the influence of time, and there is no limitation to your perfect knowledge. Thus you were sufficiently able to consult with yourself, yet you called upon me for consultation, as if bewildered, although you are never bewildered. And this act of yours bewilders me. Uddhav was never actually bewildered, but he says that all these contradictions appear to be bewildering. The whole discussion between Krishna and Uddha was meant for the benefit of Maitreya, who was sitting nearby. The Lord used to call Uddhav for consultation when the city was attacked by Jarasandha and others, and when he executed great sacrifices as part of his routine royal work as Lord of Dvaraka. The Lord has no past, present, and future, because he is unhampered by the influence of eternal time, and thus nothing is hidden from him. He is eternally self-intelligent. Therefore, his calling for Uddhav to give him enlightenment is certainly astonishing. All these actions of the Lord appear to be contradictory, although there is no contradiction in the routine activities of the Lord. Therefore, it is better to see them as they are and not attempt to explain them.